Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most discussed medicines in the USA, Australia, and the UK, Ozempic, also known as semaglutide. Ozempic is a prescription medicine that is mainly used to improve blood sugar control in adults with type 2 diabetes. But in recent years, it has also become popular for its ability to help with weight loss. How does Ozempic work? Ozempic belongs to a class of drugs called GLP-1 receptor agonists. It works by mimicking a hormone in your body that helps regulate blood sugar and appetite. This means it not only lowers your blood sugar but can also make you feel full for longer, which helps you eat less and lose weight. Who can use Ozempic? It is prescribed for adults with type 2 diabetes, especially when diet and exercise alone are not enough. Doctors may also prescribe it for people who are overweight or obese to support weight loss, even if they don't have diabetes. Benefits of Ozempic: lowers blood sugar levels, effectively helps with weight loss, reduces the risk of heart related problems in people with diabetes, only needs to be injected once a week. Possible side effects: like all medicines, Ozempic can cause side effects. The most common are nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, stomach pain, constipation. These side effects are usually mild and improve over time. However, serious side effects can include pancreatitis, inflammation of the pancreas, vision changes, kidney problems, allergic reactions. If you experience severe pain, swelling, or trouble breathing, seek medical attention immediately. Precautions: not recommended for people with a personal or family history of certain thyroid cancers. Avoid during pregnancy or breastfeeding unless approved by your doctor. Always follow the exact dosage and instructions given by your healthcare provider. Final thoughts: Ozempic is a powerful medicine for controlling type 2 diabetes and supporting weight loss, but it is not a magic solution. It works best alongside a healthy diet and regular exercise. Always consult your doctor before starting Ozempic. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more health related videos.